serve for lunch.
Okay, I can do that. We got a leak right now. I'm trying to keep product from getting wet. Hello. It's quite a crazy week. We've got lots of weather here in the Midwest. I don't have time for lunch today. I think it's well after lunch. I ate an apple, I have some nuts, and I might get to this spicy Italian style wedding soup, but I'm pretty busy. I'm sure you are too. We're working on keeping things in stock. We have some hot products here at AndyMark. We have extrusions that are out of stock for the climber in the box. We got all the plates and spacers and bearings for the sub-assemblies, but the extrusions are the hot commodity. So if you can find 1/16 inch wall, 1.5 or 2 inch box tube, you can have a climber in a box just by our sub-assemblies. You provide the extrusion. We're working on getting more extrusion in, it's just not here right now. Within the next week, we think we're gonna get some more. Thanks for your patience on that. But the snow is just starting. I mean, we hear we're gonna get like 8 feet of snow tonight. I'm sure that's an exaggeration. Anyway, we're gonna be safe. I'm sure you will too. We're trying to get packages out the door for you. Thanks for your patience as you all are waiting for those packages to get out. We've got first choice orders, we've got regular orders. We're gonna get them out, as this might take us a couple days extra because of the snow. Yesterday, I was able to take a break from AndyMark and get down to the Indiana State House. We had a nice presentation with local state representatives and senators, and even the governor met with us, visited with FLL, FTC, and FRC teams from the state of Indiana, and we got a lot of attention. It's a good thing. So First Indiana Robotics is our local district. We're hoping to get a lot more traction with state awareness and funding and support for teachers and those types of things. So maybe after 30 years we've been doing this here in the state of Indiana, we can get our local government on board to support us more. And I'm sure you guys are working on the same issues out in your states. Some of you folks are well ahead of us here in Indiana, and kudos to you. Right now, you as a team, you should be in the middle of making a lot of parts. You should have your design mostly done. You should be making a lot of parts. Maybe you're still working on some designs for some of your sub-assemblies. Maybe your prototypes haven't all worked out exactly yet. But for your big assemblies, you should be making parts and getting those parts ready and prepped, fabricated, deburred, maybe painted if you want, to get those on your robot so you're ready to drive within a week or two. So hopefully that's happened for you. I know for our team it's kind of tough. We got kids out with COVID, so fabrication's going kind of slow, but it's all good and we'll make it by the time we need to make it somehow. So as we usually do, good luck to you. We'll see you next week. Have fun, stay safe.